Let's walk through how easy it is to use HesabPay. We'll show you how to add funds and use them for everyday expenses. First, add funds to your wallet. You have two options. Option 1, buy USDC on Algorand from your favorite exchange and send it to your wallet. Option 2, buy crypto directly in the app using Apple Pay, Google Pay, MasterCard, bank accounts, ACH, or 20+ other payment methods. Once you've added funds, you can easily send money to friends and family. Just go to the Send tab, enter their details, and send the funds instantly. It's fast, secure, and hassle-free. You can also use your funds for everyday expenses, book flight tickets, pay for hotels, top up your phone, or pay bills, all directly from your wallet. With HesabPay, your money is always ready when you need it. No complicated setups, no stress, just seamless, secure, and easy-to-use financial freedom. Download HesabPay today and take full ownership of your money.